कि उपराष्ट्रपति धनखड़ के खिलाफ अविश्वास प्रस्ताव का नोटिस। जगदीप धनखड़ को उपराष्ट्रपति पद से हटाने के लिए प्रस्ताव दिया गया है। राज्यसभा के सेक्रेटरी जनरल को नोटिस सौंपा गया है। संविधान के आर्टिकल के तहत विपक्ष प्रस्ताव लेकर आया है। प्रस्ताव पर 60 सदस्यों ने हस्ताक्षर किए हैं। विपक्ष ने सदन में ना बोलने देने के आरोप लगाए हैं उन पर। राज्यसभा सभापति पर पक्षपातपूर्ण तरीके से सदन चलाने के आरोप भी लगे हैं। तो उपराष्ट्रपति धनखड़ के खिलाफ अविश्वास प्रस्ताव का नोटिस दिया गया है।
Opposition parties belonging to the India group have unanimously endorsed a no confidence motion against the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. The honorable chairman, a very learned chairman, very erudite chairman, well-known constitutional lawyer, governor, very senior man whom we respect and with whom I enjoy the best of personal equation. But we were forced to submit this no confidence motion for the first time in the 72-year history of the Rajya Sabha. First time Rajya Sabha came into being in May of 1952. And when it came into being, if I remember, on the 13th of May 1952, the then chairman of the Rajya Sabha, who was also the vice president, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, said, I belong to no party. Therefore, I belong to every party. Those were his exact words. And we want the honorable chairman today, Jagdeep Dhanakhar ji, to remember those words. The way he has run the Rajya Sabha, unfortunately, gives us the impression that he is biased. He is not listening to the leader of the opposition. He is allowing the Treasury bench MPs to make the wildest of charges in the most objectionable language against our most senior leaders. And they are being encouraged to do so. And I think, this is not, the chairman is the guardian of the house. He has to ensure that everybody is heard patiently. But every time the leader of the opposition gets up, he is asked to sit down.
और पर इंडी गठबंधन की तरफ से जगदीप है और इसी को लेकर ये जो नोटिस है अविश्वास प्रस्ताव का वो दिया गया है।